Hello, dear TESL341 Principles of Language Teaching students. This is me back again, your course instructor. So it's not a piano lesson. It's just it's a bit rainy weather outside today as I record this short tutorial. So that's why I decided to play rain in Paris sky or something like this, right? So anyway, so in this very short tutorial, I just want to update you on what you have to do for project number 2, right? And the project number 2 is titled. So let me look at your Google Docs. As the project number 2 is called Learning from Gurus, and it's due by July 2nd. So what you have to do here, you know, like in our field, right? In every field, there are some giants, right? Titans, right? Big names, right? So, and I think we have to know about their life, right? And also we have to know about their contributions to the field. I mean, for example, Diane Larson-Freeman, right? The co-author of one of your course textbooks, right? I mean, she is known for her contributions in the area of teaching methodologies. I mean, that's why she ended up writing this book. Or she's also big on research, or lately she's been doing most of her work in the area of grammar, how to teach grammar. In fact, she came up with this name called Grammarly, right? If it's a reading, if it's a writing, if it's a writing, why not grammaring, right? So anyway, so the purpose of this project is to provide you with an opportunity to acquaint yourself with well-known and prolific applied linguists / TESL professionals. There are many established scholars in the field. However, for this project, I decided to include those scholars who published a first-person singular manuscript in prestigious language teaching journal. So there is this journal, Language Teaching, and they usually invite well-established people to write this first-person singular piece. And so these scholars are known for their innovative and intellectual contributions to applied linguistics and TESL. So for example, there are a couple of names maybe you're not familiar with, like Diane Larson-Freeman. You're familiar with this name already because you know, you will have finished most of the chapters from this book, right? For example, the author of this book, Douglas Brown, is also a big shot in the field. However, I don't think he contributed to this section of the journal, so that's why you will not see his name there. However, like for example, if you're interested in interaction hypothesis, then you might want to read Long's paper. If you're interested in corpus linguistics and spoken grammar and vocabulary, probably Michael McCarthy's first-person singular might be entertaining for you. If you're interested in Paul Nation, if you're interested in vocabulary, then definitely Paul Nation's piece. If you're interested in writing English for academic purposes what else? Genre analysis, then Ken Hyland's paper. Or if you're interested in reading, I would strongly encourage you, second language reading, I would strongly encourage you guys to read William Grabe's piece. He was my mentor, still my mentor, and also my PhD thesis advisor. So take a look at these papers. But anyway, so, you know, select the area that you're interested in, whether it's reading, writing, grammar, methodology, right? And read this short piece, okay? And so select one paper based on your previous interest, okay? And then read it, okay? And after you finish reading that paper, I want you guys to ask yourself and answer some of these questions. What stood out to you the most in the first-person singular paper you read? Did the information you read in the first-person singular contribute to your understanding of the field and contradict the information you have so far learned from the course textbooks? If you met the scholar in person, what kinds of questions would you ask him and why? Okay, or her, and why? Did you happen to Google the selected scholar? I want you guys to Google as well, okay? Most of these scholars have their websites, okay? So I want you guys to have a really good idea about who these people are and you know, what they're currently working on. And if yes, what additional information have you learned about him, you know, after you Googled that person's, you know, information on Google or website, okay? I want you guys to add an additional information about the persons so that you have a full picture of how, you know, what that scholar has done or contributed to the area of applied linguistics and TESL. And so in terms of submission, again, right, you have two options. You have to select one of these options, okay? So if you're, as I mentioned earlier, if you're a blogger, if you're really into writing, right? Your essay you should write here in this Google Docs, and your essay should contain from 3 to 5 paragraphs, no bullet points, please. Okay, use narrative essay style, or you can also make a video. Okay, if you're a vlogger, right, video plus blog, then create a 3 to 5 minute video. Okay, then upload it on YouTube and share the unlisted link with me. You can, in fact, put the link here, then I will watch it later. So if you're taking this course during the summer, then definitely I want you guys to complete it by July 2nd. Okay, should you have any questions about this project, don't hesitate to email me. Ta-ta for now.